Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to calculate Binance trading fees step by step. I just tap on my account and logged in officially, and now I will be just move in my trade section, and after in trade section inside you will see the estimated fee and which is on Bitcoin. So I will just mark on it and tab, and after next you will see the details of estimated fees. So an estimated fee is calculated on the current VIP level and BNB discount. The estimated fee is for reference only and is subject to the final execution result. Fees levels may be different for makers or taker trades. Learn more. And BNB will be deducted for fees with a discount when unable deductions will fail if there is insufficient BNB in wallet. So here is the all scenario of estimated fees. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.